Back at it. Baby, I'ma make a wish, and I want you to make one. Nah, don't tell me yet. We'll talk about that later. DJ Drama.
Hey guys, so when I say a long time ago, I mean a long time ago. I started making a video for this hair, and that was a year ago, like a year and some change ago. And I never uploaded it, I never fixed it, I never edited it. But since I have this hair in my head right now, I decided to go ahead and give it a mini edit. So here is my initial review of the hair when I washed it, when I conditioned it, and when I had it in my hair for a few weeks. And then I'm gonna also, a disclaimer, I've been sleeping today because I've been doing homework, so right now my hair looks absolutely crazy, but I am going to give you a tutorial on how I bring it back to life. So please still stay tuned for that and don't judge me because I know it looks crazy. Alright, hi, yes, how are you guys? So I didn't think I was going to talk about me co-washing this hair, but I am. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, bear with me. So I co-washed this hair, right? Oh, I hung it up with flexi rods. If you guys ever need the idea how to hang up your hair, I hung it up with flexi rods. And one thing I'm realizing is this hair is so soft. Like, that's the only reason why I made this video, is because of how soft this hair is. Like, it's not drying all the way, but it's so soft. And it's not as tight as it was. It loosened, but hopefully when it dries, it gets tight. But this is really soft. What I did notice. How are you? I have come to tell you about this awesome hair that I have in. No, this is my this is not exactly an initial install because I've had this hair in for like a week or so. And I'm sorry, I have a light like right here. Yeah, you can see it? Okay. But yeah, so, oh, wait a minute. See, now I need a little bit of light. There we go. But y'all can see, the hair is popping. The hair is popping. But no, this is the Malaysian curly. I can't help but to touch it, so I'm about to move it back out of my face so I can talk to y'all. But the hair's been fine. It's still pretty soft or whatever. And oh, what I was really about to tell y'all is the products that I use, because I know a bunch of people ask me what type of products I use. So I'm back. So really what I use for this hair is I've only sprayed this hair 2 times. I have a spray bottle, I put water in it, I put my conditioner in it, and the conditioner that I use is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. 9 times out of 10, it's not gonna be this big. It's okay, ignore that. It's probably gonna be this big. They're the same thing, except sometimes you're fortunate enough to get a big one because they have like the whole 50% free. It happens randomly, so when you do it, get it. So I have the shampoo and conditioner. So these are awesome. They keep my hair voluptuous and soft. And what I also use is the Argan Oil of Morocco penetrating oil. And when you, sorry, the boss on my finger. When you use this, you literally only need a drop or two. So it should look like this. Like, it should barely be any. And you can, because you have curly hair, I've already put some on my hair today, so I just did that to show y'all. But because you have curly hair, you could do like 2 drops per side. But make sure they're not big drops because you don't need a lot. Because it gets your hair popping. So I forgot to include that this is a sew-in and it is done with Ivy's flip over method. So it's not a wig. Hair is not always as it seems. You always have to test it over and over again. So I'm going to make sure I keep you guys updated and posted. And yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Ty, TYE_that's me, THATSME. It will all be in the description box. And if you want to watch my day-to-day with this hair, add me on Snapchat. That will also be in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys have an exquisite day, and I'm gonna go watch Scandal. Alright, see